Hey guys, and you can probably hear my chair. I found her in Zoe's, and she tried scamming me. And I'm gonna lower my mic a bit. Okay. She tried scamming me, and I didn't. Okay, and she tried scamming me, and I don't like scamming. She said, trade me your wrist for my address, and I'm like, she said, send me your wrist and I'll send you my address, and I'm like, no thanks. I'm kinda not in the mood. I'm not gonna block her, I'm going to report her for scamming and safety. Okay, I'm not blocking her. I trust her enough. And found her girl just went offline. I guess they work together or something. Yeah, see, she just went offline. So, if you can you please report her? She tried scamming me, and she scammed someone else. And I don't like that. Her list? No thank you. So, yeah, I just want to warn you guys about her. Sorry if I sound like this. Oh yeah, I'm doing a sunglasses giveaway too. Just wanted to mention that in the video. Mention that in the video. So, I might send this video to AJHQ. Or send them a letter. I'll write one on this notepad saying Bieberfewer. Yeah, this is one of my friends. She's actually funny. She's very funny. He's awesome. I don't know why people are mean to him, but I'm doing a sunglasses giveaway. I hope you guys enter, and yeah. Just wanted to warn you guys about that. Sorry, I'm whispering a little bit. I'm just a little sick. It's nothing that bad. If you see me around, just say hi. I'll say hi back. I want the color. I don't have one. I have a diamond shot. Sorry, but no. I'm gonna decline that cause my best friend gave me the wrist. Do you have color? Oh my god. Yeah, I like beards. They're pretty cool. They're pretty beast. I'm just gonna move away from here. Yeah, so. Sorry. I would accept that, but it's gonna not work. Yeah, guys, see, I am a trust person. If you trade me, I will decline it. Even if it's a long plaque, I'll just go, nope, it's gonna add if you want my wrist. That's all I say. But yeah, this is just kind of a scammer plus giveaway plus random. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm gonna. Is my friend on? No. Okay, sorry. No, I thought that was one of my. She's funny. She's funny. This person's pretty funny too. Okay. Nope, this is not Alden. I like Alden. I'm mostly in Sawtooth and other places like that. In my ears, they're in pain. Okay. So, yeah. Bye guys. And hope to see you in Jamal. Bye!